Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. Let's see how to do that. First, go to Facebook. Then from the top right corner, click the hamburger icon. Now scroll down to bottom. On the last option, click Setting and Privacy. Now click Setting again. Now scroll down to bottom. Where you will see Account Center. Click the Account Center. Now this is your Account Center, where you will see your profile. Now go to Sharing Across Profile. Now click the first one first. Now turn off Instagram story, Instagram post. Then click back. Now go to Facebook profile. Then turn off Facebook story, Facebook post. Then click back. Click back again. Now on the last one, on the account setting, go to accounts. Now remove your Instagram account from there. Click remove. Then go to remove account again. Then click continue. That's all. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.